Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right, and we have negative y dy. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. The integration of sine x, that is about negative cosine x. This one we have y squared over 2, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 0, y equals to negative number 2. So we put number 0 and negative number 2 gone here to find the value of c. Cosine of number 0 we have number 1. This one we have number 2. So we put negative number 2 go to the left. So we have negative number 1 plus number 2 we have number 1. And we put number 1 cone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.